Let's talk about the role of niacinamide, that is vitamin B3 in skincare. So niacinamide has multiple skin benefits, like it reduces dark spots, thus helping the patients who have melasma or who have dark spots after acne. It reduces sebum production, thus helping the patients who have acne-prone skin. It increases ceramide production, thus helping to improve the skin barrier and helping the patients who have dry, irritated skin or who have sensitive skin. It also has anti-inflammatory action, thus reducing red spots in patients of acne and helping the patients of rosacea. It has photoprotective action, thus protecting our skin from sun damage, and it also increases the elasticity of our skin. Now, how to use niacinamide? Firstly, we always need to remember that niacinamide is a jack of all but master of none. So always pair niacinamide with some other skincare ingredients like retinol, salicylic acid, glycolic acid or vitamin C for better results. And always start with a less percentage of niacinamide. That is, start with 4 to 5% of niacinamide in the beginning. And after a few months, you can shift to 8 to 10% of niacinamide. And always use niacinamide on a damp skin. And it can be used both in AM and PM skincare routine.